Welcome to FB School of Economics. Today we will learn about factors of production. Factors of production are the resources people use to produce goods and services. They are the building blocks of the economy. There are 4 factors of production in the economy. Number 1 land, 2 labor, 3 capital, 4 entrepreneurship. The first factor of production is land, but this includes any natural resource used to produce goods and services. This includes not just land, but anything that comes from the land. Some common land or natural resources are water, oil, copper, natural gas, coal, and forests. Land resources are the raw materials in the production process. The second factor of production is labor. Labor is the effort that people contribute to the production of goods and services. Labor resources include the work done by the waiter who brings your food at a local restaurant, as well as the engineer who designed the bus that transports you to school. It includes an artist's creation of a painting as well as the work of the pilot flying the airplane overhead. The third factor of production is capital. Think of capital as the machinery, tools and buildings humans use to produce goods and services. Fourth factor of production is entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur is a person who combines the other factors of production, land, labor, and capital, to earn a profit. That's all for today. Hope you understand the concept. See you in next lecture. Till then, bye.